The world in 2050. Hello guys, welcome to TopTechNerd. Workers' visions of the future range from a pessimistic picture of robots stealing our employment, leaving us eternally imprisoned indoors, surviving solely on Amazon Prime supplies, to a utopian view of artificial intelligence eradicating monotonous activities. This will allow humans to think, create, and act. Before we continue, kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. Let's dive right in. Space travel. The world's ambition is to reach Mars. We've gone to the moon several times but have no immediate intentions to settle there. Mars appears to be the next big thing. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, and Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, are both working relentlessly to send us to Mars. The human presence in space continues to grow with each step taken. Human involvement in space is expected to improve by 2050. Additionally, supersonic planes will be exceptionally huge as it identifies with speed in air. Elon Musk's Starship can go from New York to London in 29 minutes. Robots additionally will perform considerably more as a fundamental piece of our regular routine conveyance, airborne review, airstrike, fire administration, help for extinguishing fire in tall structures. In computer-generated simulation, future learning will be much more intelligent as virtual learning can be utilized to send all understudies to a space station and make them see things look genuine like they are at that area. You could take understudies to a climate previously and show them what was occurring, such as watching a fight occurring. Google's Expedition app as of now allows understudies to go on outings in VR to places like the Great Barrier Reef. The application originally dispatched in beta structure. Transportation Reality 2014. Over 320,000 electric vehicles were enrolled all throughout the planet. In 2019, an increment to 2.3 million vehicles. By 2025, EV deals is projected to outperform 10 million. By 2025, most of autos will be electric, coming about to diminishing requirement for corner stores yet rather charging stations. Driverless vehicles will be the standard like Tesla driverless vehicles. Trains will be more effective and dependable. The new further developed brilliant and quicker repairs like the attractive train of Japan, Virgin Hyperloop repairs, etc. through attractive electric impetus. Currently the first Hyperloop vehicle have been verified. This improvement goes with freight repairs as well. By 2050 this will be a significant method of transportation all around the world because of its speed for significant distance voyages. Airbus. Currently Elon Musk said vehicles should go through 3D or tunnels, yet he said ideally burrows. Right now Elon Musk Boring Company is building exploratory passages under urban areas. In the event that Musk can fundamentally chop down traffic with this drive, in 2050 urban communities will have a great deal of passages under them. Man-made intelligence. Artificial intelligence will be a standard and will be remembered for all gadgets and any climate we find ourselves. Google Profound Brain. Most AI machines will become human canny that will think and behave like human as opposed to doing commonplace redundant errands. Robots will see a greatest expansion in AI improvement by 2050. Likewise, an expansion in widespread interpreters will diminish language boundaries. Presently we should jump into another perspective that will work on human life effectively. Prosthetics are truly sci-fi to a great many people, exceptionally restricted and costly. Yet, with innovation we can make prosthetics viable to work with human mind and body. Cyborgs are as of now not a long way from presence in our reality. With cutting-edge prosthetics, life becomes simpler for its clients. These prosthetics are generally made of plastics. If you play computer games you should know TJ Combo from Killer Instinct or Jax in Mortal Kombat. Prosthetics could be worn as exoskeletons when required, separated from its utilization by the people who lost their appendages or powerlessness to get things done with their hands or legs. Nanotechnology can go about as superpowers for people whenever joined on numerous things like the garments we wear. Nanotech can be typified with advances to assist with working on your solidarity, toughness, and then some. A shirt that can assimilate impacts, and you'll be left with no injury. At the point when utilized in materials, nanoparticles of silica can assist with making textures that repulse water and different fluids. Silica can be added to textures either by being fused into the texture's weave or showered onto the outer layer of the texture to make a waterproof or stain-proof covering. Thus, assuming you've at any point seen how fluid structures little globules on waterproof attire, dabs that just roll off the texture as opposed to being consumed, that is on account of nanotechnology. Additionally, nanoparticles have been added to sunscreens for quite a long time to make them more successful. Two specific sorts of nanoparticles usually added to sunscreen are titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. These minuscule particles are not just exceptionally compelling at impeding UV radiation, they additionally feel lighter on the skin, which is the reason current sunscreens are not even close as thick and goopy as the sunscreens we were slathered in as children. Another amazing point will be, you may not require a telephone, though PDAs are becoming more brilliant step by step. However, later on, you will approach your telephone, and more by something different like hologram. Rather than composing on your telephone, you will utilize holographic screen to perform activities like examining, settling on decisions, messaging, and everything you could imagine. Environmentally friendly power. A groundbreaking change in environmentally friendly power is inescapable. An expansion in solar and wind factory energy will generally be being used by 2050 as they are less expensive than flammable gas. However, there's a test in energy stockpiling. Because of this, scientists are growing new techniques to store a lot of energy. A few models are capacity energy as hotness and materials, compacting air or transforming air into electric. These enhancements will generally be carried out in the future by 2050 as they will produce half of world's energy. This will thusly present combination power by empowering formation of combination power plants. Individuals could handle their home settings utilizing computerized reasoning. We're entirely beginning to see this with items like Amazon's Echo, which allows clients to control the lights in their homes and access other data. By 2050, AI will be incorporated into structures themselves, so you can converse with the structure and request changes in temperature or lighting. Small urban areas might be able to work with very tall skyscrapers. More urban communities will choose to make elevated structures with floors committed to exercise centers, private space, and office work to oblige the convergence of individuals that will move into urban communities throughout the following 20 years. Space. The travel industry could be achievable. Rocket organizations like Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin and Elon Musk's SpaceX will push the envelope with space travel sufficient that travel industry will be doable in the year 2050. Somebody who could bear to pay 100 million quid could go through 7 days in circle. A Hyperloop could take us in the middle of urban communities by 2050. We definitely realize we're drawing nearer to seeing a Hyperloop, a fast impetus framework, in the wake of seeing the main trial by fire of Hyperloop 1 in May. Hyperloop 1 has really banded together with the city of Moscow to carry one to Russia. We hope to see a short-reach Hyperloop that transports individuals between two urban areas. Zero in on the client experience. For sure, work will turn out to be more enjoyable, and those tedious exercises in our everyday life will be finished by robots and man-made brain power. Knowing programming rationale will be just about as significant as English and math. Client experience plan (UX) will be a higher priority than other specialized parts of a task to guarantee its prosperity with clients. Abilities in taking care of issues and serving clients will keep on being upper hands for crafted by what's to come. The force is in your grasp. In a very long time past, palms and fingers were filtered for ID. Presently, hands with embedded sensors become the actual scanners. These inserts come in various models with two principal varieties. Initial, a straightforward scanner for everyday use. It assists with perusing various labels and item codes, and to trade computerized business cards by means of the handshake custom. You can utilize face acknowledgement to recognize an outsider, however this is considered profane. Plus, many individuals use insurance to forestall acknowledgement. For instance, a specialist's hand incorporates different clinical sensors for diagnostics, even a convenient endoscope with an immediate video transfer to the specialist's visual cortex. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, make sure to give it big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys next time.